Make a great choice today with the 2020 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, ventilated front seats, rain sensing wipers, speed control. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.